multiply 1½ times 2 2/3 times 1/4. All right, I'm multiplying a mixed number times a regular fraction. What I want to do is I want to turn these mixed numbers into improper fractions before I multiply anything. How do I do that? Well, in order to turn 1½ into an improper fraction, you're going to multiply the whole number of 1 that lives out in front to the denominator of 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Add that to the numerator, which is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, so this becomes 3 over, keep your denominator of 2. Now we're going to do the same thing over here, okay? We're going to multiply the 2 that lives out in front to the denominator of 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Take that 6 and add it to the numerator. 6 plus 2 is 8. Write that over the denominator of 3, and now we have 8 over 3. That 1/4 is going to stay 1/4. No need to change it. Now, in multiplying fractions, you multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. So since there's 3 fractions, the rules are not going to change. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 times 1 is still 24. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Now, 24 divided by itself, 24, is 1. So believe it or not, when all is said and done, I don't need to go crazy simplifying too much. I don't need to think, oh, well, how do I use long division to turn that into a mixed number? Nope. The answer is 1, and so that's it. Easy peasy.